In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add news articles to Wix website. If you want your Wix site to stay fresh and informative, publishing news articles is a great way to share updates with your visitors. In this walkthrough, you will add a new post to your blog so it appears live on your website. To begin, log into your Wix editor. This is where you manage the pages, layout, and content for your site. Once you are signed in, you should see the editor dashboard with your website open. Take a moment to make sure you are working on the correct site, since Wix editor tools can appear differently depending on the site you have selected. Next, click on the Page and Section area, and then click Blog in the left menu. This left menu is where you usually find your page structure and site sections. When you select the Blog option, Wix will take you to the blog-related page settings and content controls. This step matters because it ensures you are editing the correct blog page, not some other page on your website. After that, click the settings in the blog page. Then click Manage Post. You might see these options as part of the blog page toolbar or a related menu. When you choose Manage Post, you will be taken to the place where existing blog posts are listed and where you can create new ones. If you already have posts, you should see them there, along with options for adding more content. Now you are ready to create your new article. Click Create New Post. This opens the editor for a fresh post page. At this stage, Wix typically gives you a clean template where you can enter everything needed for your news article. You may notice fields for your main headline and for the body of the content, and there might also be space for additional elements like images or other media. In the next step, add your title, text, and any other media. Start by entering a clear title that summarizes the news update. Then write your article text in the content area. If your news item includes images, you can add them through the media options available on the post editor. This is also a good moment to format the text so it is easy to read. Use headings or spacing where appropriate so visitors can scan the article quickly. As you continue adding your content, check that the article looks the way you want inside the post editor. Read through the title and main text to confirm there are no mistakes. If you added media, make sure it appears correctly and is not cut off. Taking a quick second to review now saves time later, especially after you publish. Once your news article content is ready and you are satisfied with how it looks, click Publish to make the news article live on your site. Publishing is what takes your draft and makes it visible to visitors. After you click Publish, Wix may take a moment to update the live version of your site, so give it a short moment to finish. Finally, after publishing, you can confirm that the article is live by returning to your website or viewing the blog page. You should see the newly added posts displayed there, typically in the order Wix uses for blog entries. If everything appears as expected, then your news article is fully published and ready for readers. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.